Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss about header and footer design in MS Word. Header and footers are an essential part of documents design in MS Word. They allow you to add information such as page number, documents titles and author's name to your documents. In this tutorial, we will explore how to design headers and footers in MS Word. So open a document in MS Word. Click on the insert tab and then click on the header and footer. I'm gonna select the header. So here add a header helps you to repeat contents at the top of every page. They are useful for showcasing information like titles, authors and page number. So I'm start with the headers and then we'll discuss the footers. Footers help you to repeat content at the bottom of every pages. They are useful for showcasing information like titles, authors and page number. Let's go with the headers. So when I click in here, let's see here you can see the blank header and the little bit bottom. You can see here the 3 columns and strings. Here the symbol of header. So whatever you like you can use from here, or you can more header from office.com you can use from here, and you can also edit header from here. Let's begin with the blank one. Here in the page you can see in the top is just you can give the name. I am giving the name ABCD like this. Let's double click in here, or you can just close header and footer from here. So what I'm gonna do, first I start with the one. So let's see here in top you can see the header is here, or what can before that I'm gonna insert the blank pages. So I use the blank pages. You can see here's the 3 pages, and top in the header you can see the same title. Okay, let's do the another one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the first pages. If I start here the first pages, let's double click. Here you can see the header. Let's do with the different columns or different style. So what I'm gonna do, I'm do from here. Let's see here you can see is the design or like a template, or you can use from more headers from office.com. Here you can use like this is the 2 tones reverse color bar displaying document titles you can see, and the bottom one you can see the different. If I click in here you can just click the document title. Okay, let's do with the 3 columns. Here you can see a whatever you want, B and C. Here you can use the one. All right, then in the down there is option in footer. You can see here also you can use the footer from the one. You can see, so what you want you can just type blank footer. You can just type here something, thank you, like if I say. Now let's see how it looks like. Here you can see in the top in header, and in the bottom you can see in the footer, and here also. Well done. Then next what I'm gonna do, instead of the title or document title you can also use like the page number or whatever you want as a header. Where do you want, if your number with a no formatting or accent or plain number, you can just use whatever you want. If I click in here, let's see here is the page number. This is the 1 2 3, it will come like this. Okay, or you can use or the different like the right corner, you just click and it will come like this. And also you can use also page number in footer. So what can you do, you just go to the number here, page number. You can use how do you want to use, like plain number. You can see now 1 2 3. Okay, let's go back again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna undo again everything, and before that I can do just close the header and I just edit it. Let's see, nothing is here. So Instead of the title or document, also you can use the date and time. Also here you can see, if I insert date and time, it will come up automatically, like today is the 2023. So if I use the one, so let's see how it looks like. It's look like in the every pages, you can see is as a header it will come. Okay, and let's go with the another, like if you want to the author's name or file name or file page, so you can use from document informator, insert the name of the author. So you can just name, like if I say my computer, let's see if I click it over, so here you can see the author's name in the each pages, or you can use the author's name in the footer. Just click on here, and same as the document info, just click and give the author's name or the file name. If you want to mention the file name, you can just write file name and file page, as well as the document title. You can use the document title wherever you want, like left, right or center, you can just use it. Okay, this will use the only in text, but you can also use the pictures, like from here, from file, insert pictures from your computers or from your computers that you are connected to, or you can also use the online pictures, find the insert picture from a variety of online source, and you can browse from there, and you can use header or footer anywhere wherever you want. Okay, and there is the another option, you can the quick first. So explore quick first, insert performated text, auto text, document properties, and field where anywhere in the document. The reuse content in your document, select it and save it the quick part gallery, just you can use that one. Okay, we are discussing just the every pages, the 1, 2, 3 pages, the same title or same footer, you can see the header and footer. But there is the option, so different first page. It means give the first page a different header and footer from the rest of your document. So if I click here, let's see here, you can just give the something. If I say the file name, the one, it's not matched with the another page, and this is the one. And there's the another one, the different odd and even pages, specific that odd number page should have the different header and footer even number pages. Let's see. And before that, I gonna insert the blank pages. So what I'm gonna do here, you can now see the 4 pages, so we can see at a glance the one. So what can I do? I just go back again in the insert, and here I can use, you can see, and use the different odd number. So if I say something like the author's name, my computer, so you can see the here page number, this is the page number 2 and this is the page number 4. You can see this is the same, it means the odd and even pages, it will be shows up the same title or same footer or header. So this is the event page. At a glance you can see event page header, event page header, and also event page footer, wherever you want. So if you want show the document, you can just click in here and it will come up. Yeah, next we can also see with the next and previous very easily. So you can just jump to the next header or footer wherever you want. And the right side you can just see the little bit header from top, it say the specific distance from the top of the page to the top of the header, you can see, and the dime footer from bottom, specific the distance from the bottom of the page to bottom of the footer. Just you can write or you can give the number whatever you want. And just if I say this is the footer, if I say the 7, let's see how it look like. You can see now it's a little bit up. Okay, and also there is the option, this is the insert alignment tab, insert a tab stop to help align with the content without a header. If I click in here, let's see, so alignment, it means the what do you want, left, center or right, and or align relative to margin. And if you say this one, let's see, it will come up the like this. And if you use the different one, so it will come up the different. So for now I'm not using anything, so I'm using the none, so it will not come if I select and give the none. So Design header and footer in the MS Word is a straightforward process. By using the tools on the Design tab, you can add page number, text, and image to your document headers or footer. You can also customize your header and footer to appear differently on the first page or even pages. By following this step, you will be able to design professional looking headers and footer for your MS Word documents. Feel free to leave me a comment if there is a specific topic that you would like me to talk about in the future, and please subscribe channel too so don't miss upcoming tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.